What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute. Yes, I'm sorry, I know, but today I got like a small mod for you guys. I have LED fog lights that I got from eBay. There was an eBay seller that was selling some Auxito LED fog lights, and I actually have Auxito LED H7 bulbs for my low beam headlights, and they look pretty sick. If you see my Instagram that I posted before, like a while ago, you can tell that how bright they are at night. It's ridiculous. Like, they're so bright, and I'm in love with them. But right now, I'm about to get into this mod real quick because I'm actually at a family gathering right now. I'm at my parents' house, so I wanted to just do this quick little mod real quick before like we start doing what we gotta do, so I can show you guys what's going on with this. So let's go. Alright, so I put one in there already. It's the same process on the other side, so I'm not gonna show you guys that part. I'm just gonna show the finished product and like what it looks like with both LED. I'm sorry, there's kids in the background. There's literally like a bunch of things going on, gatherings that people are having for their families today, which is nice. It's Saturday night. It's Saturday evening, so I mean, why not? But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the finished product right after I put this other one on the other side in. Okay, let me go fire this bad boy up. Where's it at? There. Man, let's go see. Is my check engine light on? Oh no, it's not. Alright. There it is. Boom. Why they look green? Oh, the sun is in the way, but I'm gonna have to show you guys this at night. I might have to do that because it might come out better. But in person they look really good. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys this at night. Hold on. Yeah, they're really bright. I wish you guys could see this in person, because the lights are so bright the camera can't like really focus on how they look in person, but it looks really good and it matches with the headlights. So that's the most important part that I wanted to make sure that got done. So it still looks pretty good. I like it. So hopefully this kind of does it justice, but it definitely illuminates a lot in front of me, so it's doing its job. So I really appreciate that it's doing that. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I had to do this like in little segments because I put the fog lights in during the day and I had to wait for it to be nighttime to show you guys the like full potential of what it looks like at night. So they look really good, and it's doing good justice to the light output in front of me. So I mean, my headlights are already bright as it is with the Auxito LED bulbs that I put on them for the H7 bulbs, but with these fog light bulbs, they make it even more brighter at night, and I love that. It's also H11 bulbs, so for the fog lights. So I will leave a link in the description to where I got these. Left front fog light lamp malfunction. Yeah, it's that's a code for the LED fog lights. Let me turn this off again because it's like a disco. It's so annoying. You will get codes, error codes for the fog lights because they're LEDs, and these cars aren't really used to LED, any LED lights or whatever. So you will get fog lights. You can code them out, but I don't care. I don't really care about coding them out, because I'm just leave it how it is because it's whatever. I don't really care. But yeah, if you did like this video, leave a like and a comment and what you think. If you are gonna get these are dope not headlights. These are dope fog lights, and they go well and they match well with the headlights. So I will leave a link to the description of the headlights, the headlight bulbs that I got these that I got them from, which is Auxito, and the link to the eBay seller that I bought the LED fog light bulbs from. So until then, guys, see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Stay safe out here.